crunchy. Doing it like this to help it to rise. In a crop too much. Okay, you see? Is that
no, it's because of the position. I was in an awkward position.
You said you are in awkward position when
I was in awkward position because
just accept the fact that Wisdom did well.
I did. It's just that if I do it again, I will do better.
Okay. You will perfect it when you do the second one.
It's like third time's a charm, okay? And 1 and 2 came horrible, but if I do it the third time, it will work perfectly fine.
Alright. Wisdom, I beg. Look at
that was better than my second and first try.
You're trying too hard.
Okay, let me try again. I won't try too hard. Okay, that one's better.
That doesn't make fun bitter.
Thank you, Mommy.